What's something people don't know about focus? It can be trained. Let's dive in. Neuroscientists say you can boost your focus permanently in just a few minutes each day. Sounds too good to be true? Here's how. First, practice mindfulness. Just sit quietly and pay attention to your breathing. It sharpens your mind and reduces stress. Next, take breaks. Yeah, you heard right. Short, regular breaks keep your brain fresh and focused. Hydrate. Your brain needs water to function at its best. So, sip away. Also, get moving. Physical activity boosts blood flow to your brain. Even a quick walk helps. Lastly, sleep well. A rested brain is a focused brain. Prioritize your sleep. So, there you have it. Mindfulness, breaks, hydration, exercise, and sleep. Make these a habit and watch your focus soar. You've got this.